Do you want to learn how to get your ads inside the Google Maps? I highly recommend you do because it's an amazing place to advertise and so many businesses are not doing it. If you're not sure what I mean, have a look at this. I did a quick Google search for plumber Sydney, went to the maps, and you'll see that these two listings are actually sponsored listings. These people, these two different advertisers have set it up in their Google ad account such that they're advertising in the maps and obviously only paying when somebody clicks on one of their ads. You'll notice that these two sponsored listings are placed above the organic listings. So it's an amazing place to advertise. And as I said, so many local businesses are not doing this. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can implement this in your account. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up icon. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's go do this. So the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to create what's called a Google Business Profile. This did used to be called a Google My Business account. Of course, Google are always changing, and now it is called a Google Business Profile. If you don't already have one and you never had a Google My Business account, you need to create this account. They're probably going to send you a postcard in the mail to verify that your business is actually at that address, of which you'll have to put in a code, and then your account will be created. All right. So once you've done that, then you are able to link that account to your Google ad account. It is worth knowing you're going to need to know the email address that you use for the Google Business Profile because you're going to have to log into that account via your Google ad account. So here I am in my Google ad account. I've actually gone into a specific search campaign. I've gone to the ad groups, and in one of the ad groups, I've just gone straight to this assets section. The assets section is where all of your what's called ad extensions live, and the location extension is just one of these particular types of ad extensions. Okay, so in this account, you can see here, I've clicked on location extension and I have not created any assets. So this account is not currently linked to a Google Business Profile. So in order to link them, I have to click plus create asset, and then I will need to link my profile, my Business Profile Manager account with the email address that I've registered it with, and so they will talk nicely to each other. Unfortunately, for this particular ad account, it does not have a business profile, so I can't do it, but it is really self-explanatory. You literally just put in the email address here, click continue, and probably put in your password, and then they will be linked. I'll show you in another account right now where it has been currently linked. And you can see here that the business profile has been connected. Once we have done this, to create a location extension, we just click on this plus icon, and you can see here it's got the ad group with and it's got the location here attached to the ad. I'm sorry, I've had to blur out some of the sensitive information. All right, so when the business profile is linked to the Google ad account, it automatically comes up with that particular location. If I just scroll down real quick, once you do that, you then click save, and that will automatically mean that your ad will show up in the maps. There is limited information that Google gives you once your ads are showing in the maps, but if I just scroll down real quick, you'll see here for the particular date range that I've selected in this ad account that for this particular business, they had 435 impressions and 63 clicks. Now, Google don't tell you which portion of this was just in the maps, like in this other tab that I showed you here. This just relates to how many impressions the ad had where your location extension was shown. So it could be in Google Search or it could also be in Google Maps. But it does show that it had a 14% click-through rate, which is pretty good. You don't actually get conversion data in this particular section. You'll need to find it out in another section, so that's all you basically really need to do. So you need to create your Google Business Profile, you need to connect it to your Google Ad account, and then you need to enable that location asset to the particular campaign or account or ad group level, whatever you want, and then it will automatically show. That's how easy it is to do. So if you like this video, don't forget thumbs up icon, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.